Here's how you can pay using your credit card through PayPal. First, click the PayPal button on the payment link we sent you. This will redirect you to PayPal's secure payment page. Next, select Pay with Bank Account or Credit Card. Enter your email address to check out as a guest, then click Continue to Payment. PayPal will send a 6-digit verification code to your mobile number. Tap Get a Code, enter the code in the field provided, and press Enter to verify. Once verified, you'll be able to choose how you'd like to pay. You can use an existing debit or credit card linked to PayPal, or add a new one by clicking Add Credit Card or Debit Card. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and fill in the required details. After selecting your payment method, click Complete Purchase, and that's it. Your payment is successful and we'll begin processing your order right away. Thank you for trusting Inkhead, your go-to printing partner.